Usually for this type of structures, when you have a huge causality like this, so I mean, look at this, guys, from July of 2020 to March of 2024, that's 3 years plus. You have to look at the weekly and monthly chart. And I love this channel. It changes the stride of this. There is a much larger stride since the 2016 low as well. And just this extension alone of this impulse is just so strong behind this buying. It just consumes so much supply, and we're seeing on the weekly supply does deteriorate. Look at this reaction and look at this reaction. Much better reaction right here, more horizontal than vertical. And then the extension here on this bar, which we didn't see here. Yeah, as Antal has said, some improvement right here.